Wedding band gem placement. Okay, what's happening here? We have a wedding band gumball adjust we're using. We're using the ring circle here. And we've created a seam. We found a subcurve. We're dividing that subcurve into points. And we're using this component, surface closest point. We need a surface. We're taking the wedding band and here breaking it into pieces by exploding it. We're finding the surface that we want to pull the points to, and then we create these points, and then we're using this to frame. The frame is the base frame. We're moving from the 0, 0 world to that base frame, and we're adding the curves, and then we're piping the curve to create these circles. And we are getting cutters from the cutter, and we're picking the one we want and joining them together, which is this here, and we're using that cutter on this. Now the trick of this is we're using these points in space and pulling them to the surface here to find a point on that surface to which these stones are placed. You can use this same technique to put in cutters, indents, impressions, whatever you want. So the key component to this ring is the evaluate surface and surface closest point. The rest is pretty standard. It's wedding band, and we're using this circle, which is the ring circle, scaled up in all directions, X, Y, and Z, to subdivide it and get points. You can move the seam. Now the final thing is we have the final ring here, and it's going to the gold weight estimator. In this particular case right now, at today's rate, gold is over $6,000. It's roughly 6,200 Canadian dollars in December 2025, and that gives a pretty close estimation of what it costs for this ring. It weighs roughly around 3.2 grams, and this is a rough casting cost with a gold premium of $125 per ounce plus a markup for casting of 1.25. So this is the rough casting price. From there you put your finishing in and stones. Thank you for watching.